So I should give you a warning about the old glazing. So it looks like it's just going to pop right off, and and sometimes it does, but sometimes it is a very hard material and it doesn't necessarily pop off. So you got to be careful, because if you get too aggressive on it with the scraper, you can end up breaking the glass, and I've done it a few times. And then you're in for some glass repair at the same time. So you try to get it off, but if you can't get it all off, it's better to leave some than to break the glass. So I'll just leave you with that. So be careful. And I try to get it off, but if I can't, like this piece here, that's okay. It's going to stay on there. I'm going to go right over top of it. Okay. That's all I wanted to say on that one. And it sticks to the glass sometimes too really good, so you got to be careful there. You know, how aggressive. Like right here, maybe I don't even, you know, if that doesn't want to come off within reason, it's going to stay on. I'm just going to go right over top of it with the latex caulking. Okay. It's I need to get this window in place too, though. I need to make sure before I start caulking, make sure that that's up there. So remember, the old glazing, don't be too rough on it. Like this, I don't think this isn't gonna come off, I don't think. So that's gonna have to stay. We'll go right over top of that.